Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you have enjoyed a lot during the Christmas time and you have a very happy time with your family. So let's start with this trading plan for the next week. And before that, the disclaimer is that whatever the contents, whatever the updates we are giving here, that is purely for the educational purpose. There is no monetary involvement along with this channel. And second thing is that we are not responsible for your profit and loss. Before taking any position, consult with your financial advisor. Here we are just sharing our littlest knowledge. So let's proceed with the overview for next week. So this is the chart of Bank Nifty, as you can see. So this is the daily chart, right? So what happened last week, that there was a certain fall and that was a big candle, but after that it is a clear sign of recovery. That means all this selling was absorbed or is being in a phase to absorb. So what will be my plan from option selling perspective for next week? So definitely this range has been tested many times, and based on my experience, very rare case that it will break this one in a single attempt, because already a good selling pressure was seen, and definitely it's a trying of absorbing this selling pressure. So it may be possible that it will touch this, and probably after 100 and 200 point move from this level, it will again reverse back. One second scenario is that it may be possible that it will spend some time before starting the new year between this range. So the probability of this second scenario is very high. And third thing will be that it will try to create again a double bottom pattern for a short term view. So this is the plan, but as per the chart and based on the experience, the probability is on the higher side that it will be in a range bound market. So next week what I will do a selling of 29,000 PE and a selling of 32,000 CE, because my analysis or my thinking is that the market will be in a range. So that is the view for Bank Nifty. So what I will do, I will sell 29,000 PE and 32,000 CE. And to proceed with the option selling, you need to learn the adjustment. Without adjustment, you cannot be in a green. So that is the overall view for Bank Nifty. Now coming to the Nifty part. So in Nifty also, it has broken the trend line, a big gap down, big selling pressure, and again it is trying to absorb. And almost all the selling pressure has been absorbed for Nifty. So now it is, so what will be the expectation? If it will cross and sustain 13,800 level, then probably there is a move. One. Two is that it will try to make a doji and again reverts back to create a double bottom, what I said in Bank Nifty. But as in Bank Nifty there is a multiple resistance in the upper side, and in the Nifty also, as you can see, it will face resistance here and it will face resistance in the trend line also. So again my view is that for the next week expiry, 31st December expiry, I will be in a mentality to have to sell both CE and PE, as my view is the market will be range bound. So based on that, you need to take the position. So this is for Nifty and Bank Nifty for next week. Now coming to the next one, stock specific. So in stock specific, so it was the PEL. So as per the last week, as you can see, this is a clear breakdown of the head and shoulder pattern. Last week I have shown this one, and again it is not able to cross this one, and it is continuously making the lower high. As you can see, this is making the lower high. So definitely pale we will be trying to book profit, or another thing is that we can play the short for the pale one for the next week. Now coming to the biasing part, that where I can do the buying. So this is Sun Pharma. You can see the it is on the cusp of breakout of this level 595. So definitely this Sun Pharma needs to sustain above 600 for at least 15 to 20 minutes, so that we can take position, and probably I am seeing a target of 640 or 650. So this is for Sun Pharma. Another stock which is looking extremely well, the Reliance. The logic was same. Last week it was clearly a, triangle pattern breakout, but due to the market fall, it came down to 1854. And as per the update in Telegram, we have added around 1907, 1911. So now it is 1992. So I am expecting above 2000. It will give you an excellent move. So if we can move into the 1 day time frame, so you can see here the same triangle pattern it is forming and it is trying to breaking up. So definitely above 2004 and 5 I will be adding more. So this is a portfolio stock, and this is an excellent stock to do the trading, do the option selling and all those things. You need to just learn how to do that. And the next stock is that Cipla. So Cipla, sorry, this is the Max Financial Service. So in Max Financial Service also, it has just broken the box pattern. And again, there is, you can see here, this is also a small box pattern. So this one, and again, this was a very high volume. So the selling pressure coming on. So definitely after 700 level, I will try to add Max Financial Service. So on a summary note, what we will do, so for Bank Nifty and Nifty in option selling, I will be selling both CE and PEs because my view is that the market will be in a range bound. If anything against going to be against us, then accordingly we need to do the adjustment. One. From a stock specific point of view, Reliance, Sun Pharma, Cipla, and Max Financial Services. These three stocks will be in our radar for entry in a buy side, and PEL, Pyramid Enterprise, will be on a sell side. So that's all. If you like this channel, please subscribe and like and also comment so that it will give us that inspiration to come up with some more insights, but with a very simple manner. You don't need to have many things in your chart. The only price and volume is enough. So that's all. Thank you. Wish you all a very happy weekend and the last trading week for 2020. Thank you.